Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to stop Auto Update app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Look at the top right corner of the main interface layout and tap directly on your profile picture or initial icon. From the Account Options menu that appears on your display screen, tap explicitly on Settings. Inside the Settings panel layout, tap on the section labeled Network Preferences to expand its drop-down options. Look through the Preferences display list and tap directly on the option labeled Auto Update Apps. A menu layout will appear on your screen showing 3 distinct configuration rules for downloading app data. Tap on Don't Auto Update Apps to completely revoke the automated download permissions. Tap the back button at the bottom right corner of the pop-up window to instantly save and lock in your new preferences framework. The operating system and storefront framework will instantly apply the rule, stopping apps from downloading packages in the background and giving you full manual control over when your apps update. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.